Samsung is working on a new smartphone to bring into the already very crowded mid-range space, and it's been spotted in the Geekbench online results database today. That's definitely not out of the ordinary. Someone at Samsung has a prototype in hand and is running benchmarks on it. What is a bit more interesting than the fact that prototypes are being benchmarked is that this one seems to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888. That's an odd choice on Samsung's part. First because it's a Qualcomm chip and not one of its own Exynos parts, but also because the Snapdragon 888 is almost 3 years old. Samsung Galaxy M44 5G specifications. Operating system, Android 13 with OneUI. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. Display type, FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Display size, 6.7 inches. Pixel density, 393 ppi. Screen resolution, 1080 x 2400 pixel S. Screen protection, Corning Gorilla Glass. Base memory internal base, starting with a 128.6 GB RAM. Video, 1080p 30fps FHD V. Camera, triple 50MP, 13MP, 5MP, rear camera with OIS. Front camera, 16MP. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 800 2.11. Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.3. USB, Type-C 2.0. Weight, 193 gram. Sensors, side fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, proximity. Battery type, lithium polymer battery 6000 milliampere. Charging, 25W wired. Body color, midnight blue, prism silver, and waterfall blue. Price, $350.